Electronic Verification Code or EVC is a quick way to e-verify your income tax returns, statutory forms, refund reissue requests, and submitted responses. To generate EVC, you should be registered on the e-filing portal. Let's explore how to generate an EVC. After you have logged into the e-filing portal, click the Services menu and select Generate EVC. On the next page, select a PAN or TAN you want to generate EVC for. Individual taxpayers can generate EVC for their own PAN or another PAN if they are the authorized representative for it. Individuals can also generate EVC for a TAN if they are the principal contact of that particular entity. Once you select a PAN or TAN, click Continue. There are 3 ways to generate EVC on the e-filing portal: through net banking, bank account, and Demat account. Let's explore the net banking option first. To use this option, your PAN must be linked with your bank account. Select the net banking option and click Continue. You will be logged out of the e-filing portal. On the e-filing login through net banking page, select a bank whose net banking facility you use. Then, you will need to log back into e-filing through net banking, using your net banking user ID and password. After logging in through net banking, you will be taken to your e-filing dashboard. Click the Services menu and select Generate EVC. Then, your EVC is successfully generated through net banking. It is sent to your mobile number and email ID registered with e-filing. Now, let's look at how to generate EVC through your bank account. Select the Through Bank Account option. To use this option, you will need to pre-validate and EVC enable your bank account on the e-filing portal. To learn how, please refer to the My Bank Account video or user manual. If you have already pre-validated and EVC enabled your bank account, you can go ahead and click Continue. And that's it, your EVC will be generated. You will see a success message and receive the EVC on your mobile number and email ID verified by your bank. The process for generating EVC through Demat account is the same as through bank account. Select the Through Demat account option. Even here, you will need to pre-validate and EVC enable your Demat account on the e-filing portal. To learn how, please refer to the My Demat Account user manual. If you have already pre-validated and EVC enabled your Demat account, click Continue. And then, your EVC will be generated. You will see a success message and receive the EVC on your mobile number and email ID verified by your depository. The EVC generated will be valid for 72 hours. After that, you need to generate EVC again. Note that you can also generate EVC offline through bank ATM for banks integrated with e-filing. Swipe your ATM card in the machine and select PIN for income tax filing. The EVC will be sent to your mobile number registered with e-filing. Connect with us for more information.